Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair your keyboard to multiple devices at once. You can't really just pair your keyboard to multiple devices at once, but you can pair to multiple devices and then switch between each other. To do so, at first we have to switch our keyboard to the Bluetooth module here, and now we have to hold function button, alt button, and click one. Then we have to pair our keyboard with our phone, PC or tablet or any other Bluetooth device, and then we have to tap function alt 2, and then we can pair our device with the second device, and then function alt 3 to pair with the third device. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.